Hi friends, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. Today I am going to teach how to draw the use case diagram. There are many students who ask me to draw the use case diagram, so that I have made this tutorial. So here first I am going to explain the definition of use case. A use case diagram shows the system function from a user perspective. A use case diagram emphasizes on what the system does rather than how, right? What the system does rather than how, right? Highlighting this point, right? A use case diagram emphasizes on what the system does rather than how, right? The use case diagram are during the system analysis for capturing the user requirements, right? You have to highlight these two lines, very important stuff. A use case diagram emphasizes on what the system does rather than how. The use case diagram are used during the system analysis for during user requirements, right? This is very important 2 points, right? Now here, this is the user use case, right? Here this one should be the use case. A typical interaction between the user and system, right? This is the use case. This is the actor, right? Actor means a person or hardware device, another system that interact with the system, right? So here this is a simple example of the ATM machine, right? ATM machine, this is the use case. I have shown the use case symbol here, right? This is the use case, this is the actor, right? Here this is the ATM example I am going to given here. For example purpose, customer is a actor, right? Customer who is a actor, he can withdraw, check, transfer the cash, right? This is the use case, right? ATM machine is a use case. They will be able to withdraw the cash, customer can check the balance and transfer the cash, right? Very simple example, right? What is the user can done by the system, right? This is the system he done by here, right? He will be able to withdraw money, check balance as well as transfer cash, right? So here each use case should be the supplement by a use case description, right? This one, right? Okay, this is the thing, right? Now here this is the I have written here, the customer insert the ATM card and enter the PIN number. When you enter the ATM card into the ATM machine, you must enter the PIN number. If the system validate PIN number, right? If the PIN number is valid, then customer enter the withdraw amount and the specific the type of account. Provide their sufficient cash in the account. The system release the specified amount of the cash in the bill and print the receipt, right? This is the stuff done by the ATM machine, right? This is a simple example of the use case, right? Okay. After that, I have done another use case diagram. This is for the hotel system, right? Simple hotel management system. Customer who is an actor, right? Here we have more than one actors are there. Those are customer, manager as well as a booking clerk, right? This is the use case I have written. This is a simple system of hotel management system. Customer can, what can do of the system is customer can reserve the room. At the same time booking clerk, this is the receptionist clerk, they will be able to reserve the room, cancel the room, both part done by the customer as well as a booking clerk, right? Booking clerk also reserve the room as well as cancel the reservation. This one also same thing done, okay? Reserve the room or cancel the reservation. This is like online, right? So here manager is the person who can obtain the daily booking report, okay? They can checking the room all the report, right? What is the reservation on the particular day, what is the amount coming this particular day, all the stuff they will be able to check the manager part, okay? This is there are 3 actor consist of the hotel system, right? Another stuff is this is the another important stuff of the use case, user relationship, right? User relationship, the behavior of one use case always make sure of the another use case, right? This one should be the very important case, right? Users relationship extends relationship. What is a user relationship mean? You have to this one, the behavior of one use case always make sure of another use case, right? This one should be the important stuff, right? Example of when the customer make the credit card payment, they should receive the confirmation by the mail, right? They should confirm the mail, right? Here imagine you have purchased the item from the e-commerce website, something eBay or AliExpress, something like that. You have received the confirmation mail, right? You have paid this amount of amount, right? You have to buy the item, you pay this amount. Whatever you buy, you must be get the confirmation mail, right? This is very important stuff when you are doing the software, right? When the customer make the credit card payment, you have to make sure the email, like receive the confirmation by the mail, right? Okay, this is the very important stuff. Whether if the customer not receive the particular item, they will be able to show the mail, confirmation mail, everything, right? This one should be the very important stuff. That's why we have to put users here. Here this one you have to put this sign, and you have to put when you are developing draw the use case diagram, you have to use like this. When you are getting the confirmation mail, all the stuff you have to use like this, right? Okay. After the extend relationship mean this one should be happen or not, right? It's sometime happen, right? It should be happen occasionally, right? That type of situation we have to use extend relationship. The example here, the behavior of one use case optionally make a use case of another use case, right? This is the stuff. Student registers for the course, right? Receive the discount, right? Some month they will provide the discount. Some seasonal month, if you take the example of the shop, some seasonal months, right? Seasonal month mean the New Year season or Christmas season, they will provide the discount. Other month they will not provide the discount. That points we have to use extends, receive discount, right? Extend mean it's sometime it's happen, right? It's not happen regularly. It sometime will happen, right? It's occasionally, right? That's type of things, right? Student register the course, sometime we have received the discount. This time we have to put extends relationship, right? This is the meaning of extend relationship. This is the user relationship, right? You have to understand the difference between use case relationship and extends relationship, right? This is very important stuff while you draw the use case diagram. Very important stuff. You must understand this same situation, right? This is important, this is not important, right? This may happen or not. Sometime it will happen. Okay, it's happening occasionally, right? Keep in your mind these stuff what are explained today, right? Thank you for watching. I will be continuing my next video with another example of use case diagram. Thank you for watching.